I came across this post and I thought it was such a profound topic to talk about. It says, someday you will look back at all the progress you have made and be so glad you didn't give up when you felt like that was your only option. So, from me to you, is every single one of us goes through some form of trials, challenges, tribulations. And I want you to know that if you are at that breaking point of doubting if your situation will change or if your circumstances will ever get better, I want you to reflect off of a time from your past where you had questioned and doubted if things would get better and or even if you were capable of overcoming it. And I want you to understand that you did get through it. You did overcome that process. You did get through that season within your life. So for me to you, I want you to know that whatever it is you are going through now, there is something transformative that is happening within this process that although you may not be able to quite be able to grasp at this present moment, there is something that is transforming you or redirecting you towards a path that you wouldn't have gone otherwise if you hadn't been going through this season. I want you to know that there is something you are going through where, as much as uncertainty it may feel and unpredictable and uncircumstantial of what it is you're going through, where so many things just doesn't make sense. I want you to know that if you continue to endure, you continue to persevere, and you continue to keep the faith within the process of every single thing you are going through, someday you will be able to reflect back from this moment and be so immensely proud of yourself that you chose to stick around one more day when in the moment all you really wanted to do was quit. So from me to you, I hope you find strength, solace, wisdom, enlightenment, that everything will be okay, that this too shall pass. I love you, I appreciate you, and remember, grow through what you go through. Much love.